Welcome to the quick and easy way to sell your house in Dallas. Selling a property can often be a cumbersome and time-consuming process filled with potential stress and financial burdens. Faced with a market that can be unpredictable, as well as personal situations that may require urgent action, homeowners in Dallas now have an innovative solution. Our service offers a unique and efficient way to sell your home, allowing you to secure a fair cash offer without the traditional delays or costs associated with standard real estate transactions. Imagine selling your house without worrying about its condition or having to spend money on repairs and renovations. Whether your home is new, old, or somewhere in between, our process is straightforward and begins with a no-obligation evaluation. This means no strings attached, just a clear and fair offer for your home. We aim to take the hassle out of home selling, ensuring all necessary documentation and legalities are handled with precision so you can focus on your next steps without looking back. Why opt for a cash sale? The advantages are compelling. Foremost, it's about speed and certainty. With the ability to close a sale in as little as 14 days, this approach is perfect for those in a hurry, whether relocating for work, addressing urgent financial needs, or bypassing the looming threat of foreclosure. With cash offers, you also avoid the complications of financing falling through at the 11th hour, a risk often present in traditional sales. The process is designed to empower you, providing financial relief and security quickly and efficiently. Choosing this path not only secures your financial future, but also does so with peace of mind. You avoid paying commissions, inspection charges, or closing fees typical in conventional sales, thereby maximizing your earnings from the sale. Additionally, there's the added convenience of selecting your preferred closing date, which aligns seamlessly with your schedule. To start your journey toward a hassle-free sale, simply contact us for a free, no-obligation cash offer and experience firsthand the ease and reliability of this process. It's not just about selling your house, it's about doing so with confidence, simplicity, and maximum financial benefit. Finally, take control. Embrace the opportunity for a swift, stress-free transition and set the stage for your financial planning and peace of mind. House Buyers Texas. We are here to help you sell your home quickly, simply, and for cash.